are live today with our Friday session, which is on Zoho Inventory, Shopify e-commerce management tool. Okay, not just Shopify, but it's an inventory management tool that syncs very well with Shopify. So let's share our screen and let's get started. Okay, so our today's topic is Zoho Inventory Shopify e-commerce management system. Okay. So we will be targeting Shopify and we will be targeting inventory, Zoho Inventory, how Zoho Inventory fulfills Shopify e-commerce management. Okay. So we'll be discussing that. So let me do one more testing on our LinkedIn Live just to double check. Yep, all good. Now we are good to get started. So first of all, as usual, we will go through the table of content of our presentation today. So we'll be going through the overview of our company, Consult to Manage, an introduction, key features of Zoho Inventory to Shopify, benefits of Zoho Inventory Shopify integration, step-by-step integration process, managing Shopify orders in Zoho Inventory, handling multi-warehouse management, automation features, reporting, analytics, common challenges and solutions, demo Zoho Inventory in action, and why choose Zoho Inventory for your Shopify store. And then finally, we will have a conclusion. So let's discuss about us, a Consult to Manage. We are an ERP and CRM implementation experts with over 8 years of experience. We specialize in Zoho, Salesforce, and NetSuite. Our services include but not limited to custom module development, third-party integrations, user training and support, functional requirement gathering, end-to-end project management, and so on. With that, we also deal in marketing automation, AI solution, and third-party integration solutions. So when we talk about marketing automation, AI, and third-party integration, we do work in Zoho, NetSuite, and Salesforce ecosystem with the marketplace apps and native apps as well, and building out snippets that can be used within these tools. Then we have, when we talk about iPaaS system or third-party integration tools, we have Zapier, MuleSoft, Boomi, and so on. So we work with iPaaS systems. When we talk about AI, we do work with AI implementation within the business processes. So we work with OpenAI, Claude, Agentforce, and Zoho. Moving forward, let's introduce you to Zoho Inventory, Shopify, and integration overall. So Zoho Inventory is a cloud-based inventory management solution that streamlines order management, inventory tracking, and warehouse operations. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform enabling businesses to set up online stores and sell products globally. Integration overview. Zoho Inventory seamlessly integrates with Shopify to automate inventory management, optimize order processing, and enhance business efficiency, and which is very important, by the way. Okay, so key features of Zoho Inventory for Shopify. Well, there are certain features that allow Zoho Inventory to stand out when it comes out to be like an inventory management system for Shopify. It's a real-time inventory synchronization, multi-channel inventory management, order management, multi-warehouse management, automate shipping integration, and product management. So when we talk about real-time inventory synchronization, we have updates inventory levels automatically between Zoho Inventory and Shopify. Multi-channel inventory management means manage inventory across Shopify and other sales channels. Order management is centralize orders from Shopify and fulfill them efficiently. Multi-warehouse management means monitor and allocate stock across multiple warehouses. Automate shipping integration, sync shipping details for faster order fulfillment. Product management map products seamlessly between platforms. And before moving forward to the next slide, I just want to highlight one very important point that makes Zoho Inventory the ideal solution for Shopify, and that is basically the pre-built integration solution that is available on Zoho Inventory for connecting Shopify. Now, benefits of Zoho Inventory to Shopify integrations. Streamline inventory management. We can manage products, order stocks from a single dashboard. We improve operational efficiency. That means automate order updates and stock levels, save time and reduce manual efforts. Accurate stock monitoring, avoid stockouts and overselling through real-time inventory updates. Enhance customer experience means faster order processing and reliable delivery tracking. Scalable solutions mean support growing businesses by integrating multiple Shopify stores. So there are multiple benefits of Zoho Inventory when it comes to different factors. But these are the key factors which are very, very important in terms of integrating Shopify to Zoho Inventory. That is, streamlines your inventory, improves operations, accurate stock monitoring, enhance customer experience, and it's a scalable solution. So we will discuss how you can also leverage the platform, how what is the step by step integration process of the systems of both the system Shopify and Zoho Inventory. So prerequisites ensures you have an active Zoho Inventory account and a Shopify account. Then you have an access to Zoho Inventory. You had to integration sales channels and then to Shopify. Then we connect Shopify stores. We can put in the credentials and grant permissions. We can map products like link products in Shopify to Zoho Inventory for seamless synchronization. We configure sync settings, set up preferences for stock updates, order impacts, and shipping information. We have test integration, which means confirms successful syncing of orders and inventory. Further moving forward, we have managing Shopify orders in Zoho Inventory, order import, order fulfillment, shipment tracking, automated notifications, and bulk order processing. So when we talk about order import, we are talking about Shopify orders are automatically imported into Zoho Inventory. Order fulfillment, track orders from confirmation to delivery in Zoho Inventory. Shipment tracking means integrate with shipping carriers to update customer with real life tracking details. We can use third party shipping companies as well, which don't have an integration. We will be discussing that shortly. So we have automated notifications. As we know, Zoho overall, Zoho has pretty much solid notification channels. So we can notify customers with custom integrations or custom notifications or workflows or functions that will notify customers whenever a status is updated, a shipping updates or delivery confirmation. Then we have bulk order processing, which streamlines large order volumes efficiently and process the information very, very, very efficiently. Okay. Moving forward, we can handle multi-warehouse management, which means that if we, let's say, have a warehouse, multiple warehouses at different locations, and we fulfill inventory from different locations, we can do so with Zoho Inventory. In Zoho Inventory, we have warehouse setup settings, and then we have stock allocation, stock transfer, region-specific fulfillment, and inventory visibility. So we can use any of these in Zoho Inventory, which allow managing warehouse inventory, not just inventory, managing the operations of warehouses as well. So when we talk about warehouse setup, we have add and configure multiple warehouses in Zoho Inventory. We stock allocation, we assign inventory to different warehouses. And warehouses based on demand and location. Stock transfers are managed stock movement between warehouses and seamlessly. Region specific fulfillment automate warehouse selections for Shopify orders based on delivery regions. Inventory visibility is track stock level across all warehouses in real time. Moving forward, we have automation features which include workflow automation, order syncing, stock updates, invoice and payments, and logs, low stock alerts. So when we talk about workflow automation, we automate tasks such as order creation, invoice generation, and notifications. Order syncing is automatically syncing Shopify orders with Zoho Inventory. Stock updates include real-time stock level adjustment based on order fulfillment. Invoices and payments generate invoices and track payments statuses automatically. Low stock alerts, we can set up alerts for whenever there is low stock or there is an order but we don't have stock to fulfill those orders. Then we can further talk about reporting and analytics. We have inventory reports, sales reports, and we have order analytics, product performance, and customizable dashboard. Okay, so when we talk about reporting analytics, we are talking about when we talk about inventory reports, we talk about detailed reports on stock levels, reorder points, and inventory evaluation. When we talk about sales reports, we can track Shopify sales performance and identity trends. When we talk about order analytics, we have insights into order processing times and fulfillment efficiency. When we talk about product performance, we have analyzed best selling products and slow moving inventory. When we talk about customizable dashboards, we have tailored views to track KPIs and business performance. What are the common challenges and solutions? Well, there are multiple common challenges and multiple solutions for those challenges. First of all, inventory sync issues, order delays, duplicate listing, stock mismatch, and technical glitches. When we talk about inventory sync issues, we talk about resolving it by ensuring products are correctly mapped and integration settings are configured. When we talk about order delays, we have automate order processing to reduce manual delays. When we have duplicate listing, we talk about regular audit products catalog to maintain consistency. And when we have stock mismatch, we use real time sync to avoid discrepancies between Zoho Inventory and Shopify. And then at the last, we have technical glitches, means monitoring integrations and seek Zoho support when necessary to overcome those challenges. Now, the question is why we should choose Zoho Inventory for Shopify store. Well, there are key reasons. First, it's cost effective. The price that other tools or other inventory management tools on a subscription base is expensive as compared to Zoho Inventory, so it's affordable. It has a very user friendly interface, means easy to implement and manage. It's scalable, means support multi store and multi warehouse operations. Automation driven, means it reduces manual efforts and enhance efficiency. Seamless integrations, it works effortlessly with Shopify and other platforms. So it's very, very important that you have like Zoho Inventory for say Shopify, because it's cost effective, user friendly, scalable, automation driven, and seamless integration possible between the platforms. Now, let's go to the demo. Before we head to demo, what we will be covering about how to set up product syncing, order management workflows, real-time inventory tracking, generate reports and analytics, interactive sessions, and then we will also talk about key takeaways. So we will be going into the demo of Zoho Inventory. So let's say if we go to Zoho Inventory right now, this is when you sign up for Zoho Inventory or you go into Zoho Inventory, you will get this view where you have inventory section, your items, your sales section, and your purchases section, which is vendors and bills and those type of things, right? And then you have integration sections. So first of all, because we will be discussing Zoho Inventory in context of Shopify, so first thing first, we will go to integrations. Okay, in the integration section, we will go to setting up sales channels. So we have in the shopping cart, we have Shopify. At the moment, if we it depends on your plan how many Shopify stores you can add, but we have added 5 stores, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is a running account for one of our other business that we have. So this is like a live example of how Shopify gets integrated. So we have these stores integrated to our channel. So that means first of all you need to go to the integration, and then you head to integration marketplace shopping cart, and you get access to the stores you can connect to Shopify. So once you are done with that, now what would happen is basically you define the structure. So if we go to view details and we go to show details, for example, okay. So we can define like a we can have multi warehousing. I will check that. I'll be giving information on that shortly. But we have products to items, orders to sales orders, stock to stock, location to warehouses. Because we don't have multi warehouses activated, so we are not focusing on that. We are just focused on one of it. Okay, and this one is sales orders, and this one is the item. Okay, and then we can follow up the sync history as well. We can initiate sync as well. If there is already a sync in place, it will show that sync is happening, but we can manually trigger the sync as well. So it tells you the last sync happened, and the sync happens after every 4 hours, right? So this is the way once you integrate and authenticate, this is the way it looks like. Now heading back to all settings. Okay, we have within Zoho Inventory, we have multiple automation and things that we can do. So once we have the sales orders and everything, we can pretty much define workflow rules, workflow actions, workflow logs. We can check if a workflow was triggered or not. Okay, with that, we can auto generate invoices for customers and send them invoices based on our accounting structure. Okay, and we will discuss that shortly. We can define invoices, we can define the invoice structures like putting our logos, sending them invoices to customers on time, those type of things, which is generally not possible through Shopify because of certain reasons. We can define currencies, like which currency we want to have. And then if we go to warehouses, for example, we can define if we need more than one warehouse, we can define that. So we just defined one warehouse, which is for Hazir LLCFZ, which is one another company that we have. So getting back to all settings, so we can define branding of how our emails should look like and things like that, how the brand should look like, and we can define taxes. If I go to go to texts, for example, I can define text rates, I can define text settings, I can define text preferences, and those type of things. If I go head back for a moment and I close all these settings, like there are multiple things that you can do, and which is not possible in generic standard way. So customizer can customize the PDF templates and tags as well. So if I go back from, okay, let me go to the inventory and go to items. So we haven't created any single item. As soon as we synced our say Shopify into this, every item we create in Shopify gets synced here. So let's take this as an example. Okay, so we at here we have this item created in Shopify. It's associated to two stores, and total items are two. Like because there are two stores, same item defines on two places. We have 15 in hand, and the price is 70. We are selling it for 70. And if I go to warehouses, it is based in Hazir LLC. And if we go to transactions, we don't have any sales order for them. Okay, but if we look towards the history of it, we item has been automatically mapped with 1801 Shopify Argyle store confirmed. That's it. So we in the timeline it shows that 31st October we got it synced from Shopify store. Okay, coming back. So this we have the structure. We can if we create an item, we can associate the sales channel as well by clicking on a create item. Okay. Similarly, if we go to composite items, we can create groups like item groups, items, composite items, product price list, and stuff like that. Okay, we can do inventory adjustment, we can do transfer orders. So all if we do inventory adjustment, transfer orders, these will happen in Shopify as well. Like inventory will be adjusted in Shopify as well. So if we go to customers, all our customers from Shopify are automatically linked. So that means all the customers of our Shopify store comes here, and we can do email marketing for them, linking them to Zoho campaigns and their places. So if we go to sales orders, all the orders that come to our Shopify stores are synced. So let's take this as an example. This is 20 December 2024. We got an order from Abel, and this order is of this particular item. Okay, Savage Dior item and Swaggy Dior, and then we have another item which is based on the another order. Okay, we do have that as well. Okay, if we go to packages, so once we confirm, we can create packages out of sales orders. If we like this one is all shipment created, and whenever a package is delivered, we did update that to package delivered. If we go to shipments, we do get access to, okay, what is the status of shipment for that particular order. We can process that as well, and all these changes that we are doing here gets updated in our Shopify. We can generate delivery challans here, which means that if we go to the process, we create delivery challan, goods are delivered, marked as delivered or not delivered, case to delivery goods, create delivery challan, sales completed, partially invoice, partially record partial returns, those type of things. We can manage returns as well, by the way. Then once the sales orders are processed, delivered, and consumed, we can create invoices and set the invoices to the customers. So it is it basically overall helps the process as well. Then if we go to payment received, we get to know how many payments we have received so far. If we go to sales returns, we get to know the sales returns as well, if there are any. When we talk to purchases, we can define vendors, we can link inventory to vendors, we can define expenses, we can define purchase orders, we can define purchase receipts, we can define bills, we can define payment made, we can define vendor credits, which is the terms for finance, by the way. So if we go to reports, for example, and before I go to report, let me go to the active channels for a moment, and then we will get to reports. So if I go to active channels, okay, we have Shopify as an active channel, that as we discussed. If we had Zoho Commerce as an active channel, it will show us that Zoho Commerce is also linked to our inventory system. So heading back to reports for a moment, okay. And in the report center, we have sales by customer, sales by item, order fulfilled by item, sale return history, sales by salesperson, packing history, inventory summary, committed stock details, inventory valuation summary. So we have all these reports available. These are pre-built reports. We can build out custom reports as well. Create custom report. So if we click on a report, we will check which sales by customer, which report that we want to be customized. Like let's say we want to create a custom report, but we need a base report for it. So it could be based on sales by customer, sales by item, sales by sales people, committed, inventory, aging, summary, those type of things. So we have pretty much all these reports available, and we can basically create reports on payment receipt, free fund history, vendor credit details, payment order details, and those type of things, right? So this is basically it in terms of the overall process, that how Zoho Inventory links to Shopify, and how the orders are processed, how the information flow across between both the platforms, how the details flow across between both the platform, and how why and the most important question is why it is very very important that we have these options available for our process to work out. Okay, so let's before we finish this, let's go a bit about in the settings just to give you an idea. So over here we can define can manage organization. Here we can define a control taxes. Here we can define user and roles. Here we can define preferences. Here we can define sales. Here we can define purchases. Here we can define items like customizing items. Here we can define the payment gateways. We can customize like web tabs, transaction numbers, number series for sales orders, purchase orders, and if we want to prefix a suffix, we want to place before or after the number, we can manage it here. Then we have reminder notifications we can manage. We do have automation of workflow rules, workflow actions, workflow logs, and schedules, automation. Coming here, we have custom modules. We can create custom modules just like sales order, purchase order. We can create our own module name as SF orders, for example, or something like Shopify orders. So all the orders from Shopify would be created in the system, but it will have a separate module to manage further details about them. Okay. Then we have a developer capability where we have APIs, we have connections, we can set up incoming webhooks, use reusable components of a deluge. And when we talk about integration, we have shipping integration, shopping cart, accounting, sales and marketing, EDIs, SMS integration, Zoho apps, other apps, Zoho sales, sales channel preferences, WhatsApp, and marketplace. So we have multiple things that we can do here, and these are very very important. We do have customer portals and vendor portals that we can use and define their preferences or details as well. That will help us overall manage the details, right? When we talk about the let's go a bit about in the customization of templates. So we have different templates. Okay, let's close this for a moment. So we have these different templates, like we can change, we can update sales order template, sales return. So all the invoices we want to send it to the customer, we can control all of that over here. If we go to items, for example, in the item section, we can customize the fields, unit of measure. We can add field customization. We can add more custom fields. We can update custom fields and stuff like that. If we go to sales, if we go sales orders, we can do the field customization, and we do have adding more custom fields in the option as well. Okay, similarly goes for invoices, delivery challans, and those type of things. So if we go to field customization, we have this. We can also define validation rules. We can also define custom buttons to trigger custom functions. We do have related list as well, so we can create new related list for invoices as well. So this was it. We have pretty much solid foundation in inventory management if we connect Shopify to our Zoho Inventory, and which is very very important because it does help us improve the overall process in terms of accounts and stuff like that. By the way, you can define custom accounts as well, so this includes the accounting system. By default, if we go for Zoho One, for example, uh, Zoho One has Zoho Inventory and Zoho Books. So when we talk about if we are subscribed for Zoho Books, Zoho Inventory, the invoicing part of it is basically linked. So any invoice you create in Zoho Books, and if you are using Zoho Inventory, would reflect in Zoho Inventory as well, because the finance part of it is one. So overall, this is like a very confined tool. So if we connect Zoho Book to Zoho Inventory, the information will easily flow across. Similarly, if we connect them to our CRM, the information will flow across over there as well. Same goes for Zoho Desk for customer support management. And because it's a part of the ecosystem, so we can easily access other apps from our menu here. So I clicked in this menu section, and where I get access to all the apps in single on a single click. I can move to that section. So that was it for Zoho Inventory demo. Let's head back to our presentation. Okay, so we did a live demonstration on Zoho Inventory, a hands-on walkthrough of Zoho Inventory integration with Shopify. We did product synchronization, we did order management workflows, we did real-time inventory tracking, we did generating reports and analytics, we did interactive sessions, and we took some key aways that we should take from the session. Well, as I said earlier, the biggest benefit is that this is like a plug and play integration that you can use with your Shopify store, and it helps you manage your orders and process them through the cycle of shipping and delivering very easily through a one window solution. So it's a very helpful tool in that regard. Going forward, if we want to conclude this session, let's conclude it and discuss or understand what we just learned. So we learned about Zoho Inventory being simplifying and optimizing inventory management for Shopify stores. It provides real-time insights, automate workflows, and improve operational efficiency. What are the next steps? We should start with Zoho Inventory today and transform the Shopify business. So if you are using Shopify, you should go for Zoho Inventory to manage your inventory. Now, the important thing is that yes, it is a plug and play solution. You don't need much of technical knowledge. But if you have a custom requirement and you have a custom Shopify store, or you are using or want to use the best or the all the features of the inventory to the maximum, like customizing a template, triggers, workflows, automations, then you should consult a certified consultant like us who can help you implement Zoho inventory more efficiently, more structurally, and better. So if you have any questions and inquiries, feel free. We would love to help you out in overall structuring and management of the system. Thank you. By the way, we are just open for any questions. If you have any questions, just drop in the on the comment section. This is a live session. Obviously, the recording will be available after the live session as well. So even after our conversation or this session, if you have any questions at any stage, just feel free to drop your question in the comment section. Our team and I would be more than happy to assist you and guide you in the right direction. So that was it for today. If you have any questions or any queries, feel free and just reach out to waheed@consultomanage.com and we would be happy to help you out. So thank you for your time today. Today we covered Zoho Inventory, the Shopify e-commerce management system, and how it can transform your Shopify management and how it can help you reduce your inefficiencies and improve the overall workflow. Thank you very much. Looking forward, we will be releasing the sessions for next week. So stay tuned and stay connected. We will be updating the topics for next week. And if you have any questions, any queries, feel free to reach out. We are more than happy to assist you on your Zoho implementation journey. Thank you.